Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
Hi everyone, Sue from 1A Auto, and today we're going to be removing and replacing an intake runner control valve on our 07 Mazda 6 with a 2.3 liter. So if you need this part or any other part for your car, click on the link below, head on over to 1aauto.com. To lift up the engine cover, it's just a plastic cover that has rubber prongs on it. We're just going to firmly lift it up. Set that aside. Here's the rubber bushings and the clips. So now I'm going to disconnect the two connectors for the intake runner controls. Remove the vacuum hoses and just twist and pull. And if they don't come off, it's a good time to inspect for any cuts or tears. Make sure it's still rubbery and not hard plastic or collapsed from oil. And we have two mounting screws. Torx head, 25, so it's a T25. And we'll just remove those two. And there you have it. Here we have our 1A Auto part and the manufacturers. There are two in the system. You should change them as a pair. Today we're just showing you how to R&R one of them, and they're identical. Mounting brackets, same two vacuum size tees, they're identical size. Fittings, we get a 2 electrical prong connector, designed the same way. So if you need this part or any other part for your car, click on the link below and head on over to 1aauto.com. Just going to reverse procedure basically to reinstall. Just going to start the two bolts, screws shall I say. If you didn't hear me the first time, it's a T25 head. Screw it down into the plastic. Hook the connector, and then put my hoses back on. If you ever need to do the other runner, it's the same part, it's the same procedure.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1aauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.